Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to update Mastodon app. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Mastodon application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Mastodon if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the bottom, we have 5 tabs. We have the home tab where you can go and check out the profiles of the posts of people that you follow, the search bar, new post where you can go and put your posts, notifications, and in the bottom right corner your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and update Mastodon app. Well, this is pretty simple. So in the actual application, you won't have the option to go and update the Mastodon application, so you cannot find that there, but there is an option what you can actually go and do. So basically you can go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, wherever you have of course downloaded it from. And here you need to go to the search bar and find Mastodon, of course, the application. So type in the name. And here, as you can see, if you have an update, this open button that I have here will be an update button. So it is open and not update because my application is updated. You can see what's new, view history, version of the application, and when was it last time updated, which was 1 month ago. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until the next one, bye guys.